What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We are back again today with another great and amazing tech video. Well, the video of today is all about the Soundcore neckbands, and they're really dope. I decided to grab them because, you know, the last neckband we checked out, it was all about the JBL tune, but this one is from Soundcore, and surprisingly, you guys know Soundcore how they are. So enough of me talking, let's get started. Okay, there we go. So as you can see, guys, through here we're having live U2i Neckbend from Soundcore. This is such an amazing kind of neckband, and it offers more sound and the bass up, and some of you guys already know how Soundcore they are through bass. It's really amazing, and it offers much bigger battery. I'm talking about 24 hours of using it, and it's really insane. So we're gonna just be unboxing it, see what's packed, and check out the sound and test it, and you know what I mean, and we mash up things. So yeah, so guys, here we have it. This is our bad boy, as you can see, and right now we're gonna just do an unboxing through here and see what's packed throughout the Soundcore, and it's gonna be really amazing, the neckband and all of that. Okay, nice. And as you can see, you're having the paperwork in here. You're greeted with your paperwork in here, so as you can read it and understand what's happening throughout this kind of neckband. Really nice and amazing kind of packaging, to be honest, can't complain at all, and it's really looking great. And over here, what do we have? We are having the USB and some interchangeable buds, and I think it's gonna be really cool. So this is a USB type C to USB, and it's such a great thing. So I'm gonna keep it aside, and these are interchangeable buds, and you already know the interchangeable buds. And throughout here, this is our bad boy. So to detach it, we just have to squish it around like this way, and we handle it gently over here and here, and we pop this one here out like this way. And yeah, because I don't want to squeeze it that much, just like that, so you're good to go. So this is our bad boy, as you can see, guys, really nice and amazing. And we're gonna switch it throughout the neck and test it how it is, and even exploring the sound. And something which is so good about it, it has a magnetic, as you can see, it's magnet, so you just release it and clip it here, and it's all about magnetic, which is really amazing. So we're gonna be testing it out right now and wearing it and see what's goody. And even the button wise, they're really cool. So these are the buttons, as you can see, and this is like a bass up, I think, and or the power button. And throughout here it has a good microphone. We're gonna test the microphone and see what's good about this kind of microphone. It's such an amazing kind of bend, and this material wise, it's good because it's lightweight. It's not that much heavy, it's just very lightweight. So yeah, whenever you just want to use it, make sure you check out somewhere it's written if it's right or it's left. So you just have to clip it somewhere here. Whoa, it fits perfect, by the way. Really cool, to be honest. I really like it, and this is how it stays on your neck. Really amazing. I really like the way they kept them, and it's really immersed, by the way. Whenever you're just wearing them, you feel like there's an ANC or something, but it does not have ANC. So we're going to be turning it on right now, and we test the sound quality, and we jump on the specification of this kind of bad boy and see what's goody. Sound quality out of this U2i from Soundcore, the neckband, it's just insane because it's so much bass, it's deeper, and it's really amazing. Though you can have a custom kind of equalizer, you can play around with it, but still it offers you a nice kind of surround of sound. To be honest, this is just slick. The way they made it is just really amazing. As you can see, the form factor towards it is just amazing. I love the way they kept the buttons here, and there's a microphone somewhere here. So we're gonna test throughout the microphone, so as you can hear how my sound is picking up throughout the phone. Guys, this is my neckband from Soundcore, such an amazing, and we are testing the microphone here outside how much it's picking up, and it seems to be picking up quite not bad, though the surround will be interfering a little bit, which I've noticed it so many times, but actually not bad. Somebody can hear you and they can understand what you're speaking. So I was thinking if they could just have like ANC on this kind of bad boy and having some ENC too included on this kind of bad boy, to be really great. But overall, can't complain. Such an amazing kind of neckband from Soundcore. Let's talk about the Soundcore Live U2i specification. Well, it comes with the drivers of 10mm dynamic, which is really great. It has a battery of 22 hours of playtime and a 10 minutes charge of 3 hours. It has a water resistance of IPX5, which is only splash proof, which is actually not bad. It has a noise reduction of CVC 8.0 for clear calls. It has an EQ modes for normal and boost bass up to 70%, and it has a connectivity of Bluetooth 5.0. It has a multi-point pairing, so you can pair two devices at the same time, which is really great. The design is lightweight neckband with titanium core, and it has a controls inline of volume, playback and calls. Solid choice for music, workouts and calls. So guys, by far the neckband from Soundcore, they're really amazing. I like the way they clipping throughout the magnetic. They're so much great. They remind me of the JBL Tune 125BT, which we have covered in a couple of past years. This kind of Soundcore neckband, it's such amazing because it comes with throughout the pricing of a budget pricing. It's not breaking your bank account. It's overall much cheaper than even the JBL Tune lineup. Overall, it's really great because it gives you amazing kind of sound for your workouts and all of that. Just know that it comes with the downside whereby it does not support fully water resistant. So beware if you're in the rain and all of that. Just know that it does only support splash proof. It's an IPX5, so do not depend on it that it can sustain throughout rain and all of that. Another kind of stuff, it does not support an application. I know it's just a little bit minor, but if it had, it'd be much better. And it does not have sensors, so do not expect that this kind of bad boy you can tap it here so as it can do a certain function. Well, it does not do that. It's just normal kind of neckband which you can just operate everything on your smartphone, and it has buttons throughout here which you can use for playing music, volume down, volume up, and it's really great. Overall, it's such an amazing kind of neckband from Soundcore, and I give it go. So for the people who would prefer for workouts, this is just something which you just need. Even me right now, this is my kind of go-to workout kind of neckband. I usually use the Soundcore P20i, this one here. It's such an amazing one, quite not bad, but still I thought that neckband, it's suitable more for your sports instead of you know what I mean. This one might be casually using for normal stuff like just me on my not workouts but on my workflows and all of that. This kind of P20i, it's really insane on the sound, and it's just having a good surround of the sound, and it supports an application compared to the neckband. So should you buy a neckband from Soundcore? Well, yes, you can buy it. If you're into sports, this is something you consider. If you're just normal into casual, actually not bad if you prefer something like a neckband, but still this is just made for people who are working out. It's just really great, and it offers you plenty of time throughout before it runs out for almost like 24 hours of usage. It's insane, and it gives you quick charge, which is really great. And yeah, so let me know in the comments down below if this neckband from Soundcore captured you, and you overall think like, damn, I'm gonna grab this kind of bad boy, you know what I mean? And it's gonna be really great. So up to the next one, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and catch you guys on the next tech video, and peace.